The risk you can't see. Steel plants, warehouses, data centers, oil and gas facilities, processing units, commercial industrial campuses. Everything looks operational, power flowing, systems running, teams working. From the outside, everything is under control. But inside your facility, panels age quietly, loads increase gradually, connections loosen over time, heat builds silently. Electrical risks don't announce themselves. They accumulate. Meet Vikram. He oversees a large industrial facility. He manages uptime, coordinates teams, ensures compliance, handles audits, protects assets worth crores. But there's one thing he cannot see in real time. Hidden electrical and fire risks. An overloaded breaker, improper earthing, uncalibrated protection relays, fire systems not fully verified, thermal hotspots behind panel doors. Everything seems fine until the unexpected happens. One short circuit, one fire hazard, one compliance notice. Operations pause, insurance questions arise, reputation is at stake. That's when Vikram realizes reactive maintenance isn't enough. He needs visibility, he needs evidence, he needs prevention. That's when he partners with Perfect Test House, specialists in electrical and fire safety audits for the entire industrial sector. Manufacturing, warehousing, energy, infrastructure, commercial and large facilities. Backed by industry-recognized certifications and compliance standards, certified professionals, standardized methodologies, advanced testing instruments, thermal imaging, load analysis, protection system testing, earthing verification, fire safety system audits. They don't just inspect, they validate, they measure, they document. Using sophisticated testing tools, they identify overheating before it becomes fire. They detect imbalances before breakdown. They uncover compliance gaps before inspections. They assess asset condition before failure. Every hidden vulnerability revealed. With Perfect Test House, you receive executive summary with RAG risk levels, photographic and thermal evidence per fault, recommended actions, priority actions with estimated cost and lead time, compliance checklist and asset register for insurance. No vague observations. Clear risks, clear priorities, clear investment planning. Now, decisions are proactive. Budget allocation becomes smarter. CapEx planning becomes strategic. Insurance discussions become easier. Compliance audits become stress-free. Electrical failures are minimized. Fire risks are controlled. Downtime is prevented. People are protected. And operations continue, uninterrupted. Because in the industrial world, power is your backbone. Safety is your responsibility. And visibility is your advantage. Perfect Test House. Electrical and fire safety audits built for industrial reliability, protecting assets, ensuring compliance, preventing downtime, before risk becomes reality.